In this video, Dyson AI Studio presents a specially designed cloakroom for ladies. Designing a cloakroom specifically for women requires meticulous consideration of functionality, aesthetics, and personalization. First and foremost, the spatial planning of the cloakroom should ensure ample storage space for clothing, shoes, bags, accessories, and more. Custom wardrobe systems can be designed, including hanging rods, drawers, shelves, and partitions to meet the storage needs of various types of garments. The hanging area should differentiate between spaces for long and short clothing, while drawers can be used to store underwear, socks, and other small items. Lighting is a key element in cloakroom design, providing not only sufficient light to help women see clearly when choosing clothes but also creating a warm atmosphere. Consider installing recessed ceiling lights or chandeliers and setting up LED strips around the mirror to ensure natural and even lighting. Choosing mirrors is also an important part of cloakroom design. A full-length mirror is essential, as it not only facilitates dressing but also visually expands the sense of space. The mirror frame can be chosen in a stylish design to add decorative elements to the cloakroom. To enhance the aesthetics and practicality of the cloakroom, some feminine decorative elements can be incorporated into the design. For example, soft seating or a sofa stool can make changing clothes more comfortable. Elegant carpets add warmth and a sense of luxury, and art decorations or paintings reflect the owner's taste. The color selection for the cloakroom is also very important. Consider soft tones, such as beige, gray, or light pink, to create a warm and elegant environment. The material selection for walls and floors should also consider ease of cleaning and maintenance, such as wallpaper, paint, or laminate wood flooring. In addition, considering that women may have a large number of accessories to store, the design can include some special storage solutions, such as jewelry drawers, bag hangers, and tie racks. These details not only help to keep the cloakroom neat and organized but also make every item easy to find and use. Finally, air circulation in the cloakroom should not be overlooked. Ensure sufficient ventilation by installing exhaust fans or choosing wardrobe doors with good breathability to prevent clothing from becoming damp or developing odors. In summary, a cloakroom designed specifically for women should have ample storage space, elegant lighting design, fully functional custom furniture, fashionable decorative elements, soft color matching, and good air circulation. With careful planning and design, the cloakroom can not only meet women's daily needs but also become a private space that reflects personal style and taste. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to collaborate with us, please contact us through the method provided at the end of the video. See you in our next video.